Morning guys, it is November 9th, 2022. This in here, I got a call from a customer. He's got a problem with the toilet. Says the flap or the chain fell off the flap or something and he can't flush it. He's an older guy, retired guy. And gonna go by over there and see if we can help him. See what the story is with this thing. And I want to do a shout out to plumbing class that's been watching some of my videos. Mashoba Technical High School in Westford, Mass. I guess one of the teachers called me up. He wanted to know if I could do a shout out to his class because he runs the videos for the class. So Mashoba Technical High School plumbing course. So a shout out for them guys. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's an older couple here. I've worked for a bunch of times. Retired in their 90s. So we're gonna run out there and see if we can fix the toilet for me. You gotta have a working toilet. Is it?
Yeah.
Holy shit, look at all that stuff. She's collecting stuff, isn't she?
Yeah, she collects some other stuff.
Oh yeah, looks like I might have just fell off, guy. I might be able to just reattach it.
The chain's gone.
I can see it down in there. I'll fix it. I'll put a new flapper in there for you. Looks like I've worked here before.
Okay.
Alright.
You're the miracle man.
Yeah, I'm the miracle man, alright. Miss Molly, Miss Molly, Miss Molly. What are you doing? I'm gonna get some long pliers. I can reach down in there and see what's going on with it. Got these. Really nice. Got some flappers in here. I like these blue ones, are nice. Wow. Wow. Let's see what we can do here. Oh yeah, the chain fell right off of it. Put a new flapper in there. This one's getting kind of he's a little crusty. He's hard. He's a hard one to deal with, Mama. There's a lot of pressure here. This is all hard and it's kind of going in. Really could I'm just going to change it. The chain fell off is what it did, but we'll just put it in my new one. No issues. That's fine. If the thing wasn't so hard, I would just sort of reattach the chain, but seeing it's hard. Check down in here, make sure it's not leaking. It looks fine. Let's see how it flushes. Chain's not getting stuck or anything, so that's good. Easy money. That's what you call easy money. Right here. Whoa, there, Miss Molly. What? You're getting the Grinch feet, Miss Molly. You're getting the Grinch feet, Miss Molly. You're getting the Grinch feet again. Yeah, I can see them. You're getting the Grinch feet again, Miss Molly. I'm gonna have to give him a trim.